Hey everyone, so I am going to walk you through step by step on how to add the Chrome extension Cite This For Me that is going to make your life working on this project much easier. So the first thing that you need to do is type in the search engine here, Google Chrome Web Store, and you're going to go to the first one that pops up. And once you get your web store open, you're going to, over here, type in Cite This For Me. And the first one that shows itself as blue, it looks like Cite This For Me, like this that I'm circling here. And you see mine says it's already added because I already have it. So what you guys are going to do is click on it, and yours is going to say add this to Chrome. Okay, once you have this added, it's going to look like this on your toolbar up here at the top, right next to your search engine. If you don't see it here, you have to click this little puzzle piece and go down to Cite This For Me and make sure the little pin is clicked on. So if that's off, you don't see it. If it's on, you're going to see it. So make sure that you can see it once it's been established, okay? So now that this little bookmark is up here, or icon, whatever you want to call it, you're going to be able to cite your information really easily. You're going to go back to Google and say, I'm going to go post-traumatic stress disorder. And I'm doing this project. And when you do Google, Google's a great search engine and is going to give you information like this, but this is not a source in and of itself. So you don't want to just take stuff right from Google, especially if you go, oh, what have other people asked? I'm going to go to what's called a credible source. So I know this is credible because it's a .gov, .edu, .net. Sometimes are a little they're a little more credible than like a .com or using Wikipedia. You want to try to stay away from Wikipedia. It's not exactly a super credible source. So say I find information from this website on post-traumatic stress and I want to use it in my project, but I can't take it word for word. I didn't do the research. So I'm looking at signs and symptoms and I want to use this and I copy and paste this and I quote it or I paraphrase it, then I need to cite it. So I'm going to go up to my little icon that we added, Cite This For Me. You need to make sure it is on MLA format. So yours might be defaulted to APA, change it to MLA, and this is called a citation. So you're going to copy and paste, Control C. This, you're going to go to your Google Drive or a blank document. You're going to click on that blank document and you're going to title it Works Cited. Sorry, there's a little delay on my screen here. Cited. And say I'm doing 5 people. I'm going to copy and paste that citation, and I'm going to make sure that it's all size 12 font. And I'm going to give a title to my works cited. The other thing that you need to know about creating works cited is you're going to put all of your citations here. They go in alphabetical order by the first word of your citation. So if you have 3 citations that say post-traumatic stress, post-traumatic stress, post-traumatic stress, then it would go to the next word that's different. So actually the first letter of the next word that's different. So I'd be going by national here. So just know that they go in alphabetical order. And this is your works cited page. So anytime you reference information from this article, you know that you need to use that source. So say I went to a different article, then I would do the same thing. I would click on the little icon and click Cite This For Me. So just make sure that you're always giving credit to the sources that you're using. And if you have any questions at all, just let me know. Hope this helps.